Welcome back. This is part two. So, where we left off in part one, we are talking about making sure that the courses line up from corner to corner. Now, depending on how long your run is, it is possible to shoot these corners and make sure that they're level with a laser. As we covered in previous slides, a laser can be accurate 1/8 inch and 200 feet. So, if we decided in the lab to use a laser, we could shoot from the door where you guys walk in at to the door that goes out to the courtyard area, which is about 110 feet. And the height difference where we could shoot with accuracy of laser would be within 1/8 of an inch. 1/8 of an inch is maybe about as thick as this line right here in the center. Not too bad, right? Uh, Parging, we really won't be doing this. It's really not necessary. Uh, if you're laying block, it would be required to parge the walls if it's for a foundation. It's just done to add another layer for waterproofing and stuff like that. Some codes do require that block walls below grade are parged. But all you're doing is taking the mortar that you're using, and you could see this guy here, he's just using his trowel, and he's coming up, and you're just sealing the entire thing after you lay your brick. Toothing the corner, this is kind of like the rack back, but this would be if you're using your corner pulls. So if your corner is like this and you have your pull set up out here, your toothed corner would look like this with a half and a hole and a half and a hole, and they're toothed together. So they give you a little bit more access, like they said here, if you needed to wheelbarrows to pass through, if it's a doorway or something like that. And this is a big thing when windows or doors have not been delivered to a job on time. So if you're setting a wall and you know that you have your opening, let's say right here, you can't set your bricks solid to that opening because if the door is a little off, you need a little bit of space for it. So then you can end your wall right here and then tooth everything in. That should be a whole one, but and that way, once the door or window gets popped in, you just need to fill in these pieces. Like I said, the inside corner, we're really not going to worry about. You guys are going to be doing mostly outside here because a lot of what we do is based on exterior maintenance. So you wouldn't be seeing too much of this. And it's always important where they say here, their mortar joints are only tooled where they're going to be seen. So that would be the face of your wall. So on this one, that's your face. Your outside for your outside corner is your face. And on this one, it's your inside, that's your face. Your face is always where the finish is going to be. So regardless of what you're doing, the face is the part that you see. It's like if you're talking to someone, you see their face, you don't see their back. And that's it for part two. Hope you guys are staying safe. Enjoy yourselves. Been doing fine so far, and there's only a few more weeks left for the school year.